Hi, my name's Rodney Johnson, and I am from the Bronx, New York. I had no prior experience with trading, or I hadn't done anything except maybe buying some stocks, doing some dollar cost averaging, mainly dividend stocks, to build a portfolio. But I still lost money repeatedly over time. So I started my journey to try to find anything that would help me. I studied stocks. I took a long, hard look at options, and then I found forex. And as I began to research forex, the name Greg McLeod kept coming up. Now, I have to admit, I was very skeptical at first. So many scammers looking to make a quick buck and sell you dreams. What I liked about Greg is he had this positive, upbeat attitude about trading and life. He had the knowledge and the ability to go through everything step by step, from entering to exiting the trade, and all the possibilities of things you could do and how to protect yourself and reduce risk. After joining Greg's program, I was able to reach 90% win rate 14 days in a row. Let me tell you, that is something that I have never been able to do. Now, with everything that I've learned, I can plan a strategy. I can take a trade with confidence, with greater probability of success. My favorite part about Greg's program was watching him do live trades and simulations while explaining and breaking things down the only he can do in our weekly meetings. I think that anyone looking for a system that could produce a new income stream and has the potential to change your life financially should take a long, hard look at this program. I highly recommend that you join the Pip and Run Forex trading system with Greg McLeod. I did it, and I'm glad I did. Thank you, Greg. I'm Rodney Johnson.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!